Hey everyone, today we're talking about something crucial for your brain, heart, and overall health. The balance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. You've probably heard that omega-3s are good for you, but did you know that the ratio between omega-3 and omega-6 matters just as much, if not more? Omega-3 and omega-6 are both essential fatty acids, meaning your body can't make them. You have to get them from food. But here's the thing. Omega-6 is pro-inflammatory, while omega-3 is anti-inflammatory. Inflammation isn't always bad, it helps us heal, but too much of it, especially chronic inflammation, is linked to heart disease, obesity, autoimmune disorders, and even depression. In the past, humans ate an omega-6 to omega-3 ratio of around 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. Today, in Western diets, that ratio can be 15 to 1 or even 20 to 1. Way too high in omega-6. So the goal is to reduce omega-6 and increase omega-3, bringing that ratio closer to balance. Alright, let's get into the top 5 foods that are high in omega-3 and low in omega-6, the ideal combo. Number 1. Mackerel, especially Atlantic or Spanish mackerel. Mackerel is a fatty fish loaded with EPA and DHA, the most bioavailable forms of omega-3. It has very low omega-6, making the ratio excellent, over 10 to 1 in favor of omega-3. Number 2. Sardines. Small but mighty. Sardines are packed with omega-3, calcium, and vitamin D. They're low on the food chain, so they also have low mercury levels. Omega-3 to 6 ratio? Around 7 to 1 or higher. Number 3. Anchovies. These tiny fish are another omega-3 powerhouse. Great in salads or pasta, and very low in omega-6. Bonus. They're sustainable and cheap. Number 4. Flax seeds, round, plant-based fans. This one's for you. Flax seeds are rich in ALA, a plant form of omega-3. They have some omega-6, but the ratio is still very favorable, especially if you're not overdoing seed oils elsewhere. Tip: always grind them for better absorption. Number 5. Walnuts. Surprised? Walnuts do have both omega-3 and omega-6, but they're one of the few nuts with a decent balance. Still, don't go overboard, a small handful is plenty. Now, here's an omega-6 bomb to watch out for. Avoid refined seed oils, especially when fried, sunflower oil, corn oil, soybean oil. These are all extremely high in omega-6. And when you use them for deep frying, they get even worse, generating inflammatory compounds that can damage your cells. Think fried foods, chips, fast food, tasty, sure, but your omega balance pays the price. To recap, aim to eat more omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. And cut back on seed oils and fried foods. Balancing your omega-3 to omega-6 ratio can help you reduce inflammation, boost brain health, and protect your heart. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who eats way too many fries. And don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition videos every week. See you next time, and stay balanced.